Hi guys, we're going to crack on with the installation today, see where we get. We've just started on it, we've got a couple of people helping today, on and off. We'll let you know how it goes. Currently the vapor barriers are going well and the kingspan's next. Thanks. So another day, we're just working on the van again. We've been working on a few bits, the insulation on the ceilings. This was the bathroom. This one will be the rear skylights. We haven't done them, but the rest are done. We've just got the next layer of insulation to go over the top of that, and those done. Just a little bit of an update on the van. We decided to remove a few of the redundant wires which we could ensure weren't being used, things like the door, some random wires which went to switches which didn't go anywhere. That's about it so far. So another probably 4,000 metres to remove. Morning. We've got the first seat in. That was relatively easy on the existing base using some flat bar. The second base is going to be a little bit more difficult, and we've worked out the right position for it, and we're going to screw it into bolt it into the slats in the existing chassis. So it should be quite easy. We'll let you know how we get on, but watch this space, and then we'll move on to tidying up the front end and replacing all the dash components, fitting the speakers and a few other bits. Thanks. Okay, quick update. We've got the frame in the right position, we know where it needs to be. We're just going to drill the frame, slide in the bolts, make sure the bolts fit and come out of the bottom, get the length of the bolts we need, trim down some bolts or some bar if needed. Then we'll bolt in the frame, then the seat will be bolted on last. The reason we're bolting the seat on last is so we can get to all the bolts around, but we're going to line everything up first, and then we'll probably fit the seat a bit later. We've still got the flooring to go down and some more soundproofing, but we'll update you. If you have a look here, you'll see this floor is just normal floorboards out of the house. We've got a few more bits to do on this, but effectively it's a sheet of 1.2mm aluminium just to keep it waterproof, then fully sealed, some 3 to 5mm soundproofing, and then the standard 18mm floorboards. So total cost of that was about 22 quid, 25 quid roughly, to get that finished. Thanks. Currently stripped off all the sealant and taped everything up. As you can see here, everything's nicely ready and dug out. I've also taken the trim off here and dug out here, because here's just a full band of silicone Sikaflex, which you may be able to see here, quite thick. So I've taken that off just so I can refill that, and a little bit down in the window, following our successful window sealant here, which was a tough job, but we didn't video that. It was pretty early before we decided to do the video, but it was nice and has sorted out all the leak issues. We're just going to carry on over the roof,